Hi guys! For today's episode of Foodie Pinoy, we're going to cook an easy and healthy fish recipe, steamed fish with garlic ginger soy sauce. We will need 1 medium-sized Pompano, salt, 4 cloves garlic, and 1 thumb-sized ginger. Rub salt in the fish, then stuff the inside with half of the garlic and ginger. Then wrap the fish in a foil and place the remaining garlic and ginger on top of the fish. Let's head to the stove to steam this fish. While steaming the fish, prepare the garlic ginger soy sauce. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 cloves garlic, and half a thumb-sized ginger. Add around 1/4 cup of water and bring to boil in low to medium heat. Stir the mixture until the sugar is fully dissolved and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, our fish is now cooked. We need to discard the liquid accumulated while steaming the fish. Why? Because it has all the fishy taste to it. Once the liquid is discarded, add the soy sauce and garnish with spring onion. Here's our steamed fish with garlic ginger soy sauce. This is an easy and flavorful recipe that you can prepare for lunch or dinner. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!